Singaporean noodles. Steam na to ah. Steam na to ah. Babanlian muna.
Hi everyone, me and Mama's gonna cook Papa's favorite dish.
What you have?
There's some avocado oil
Oil?
and some soy sauce.
Sesame oil.
Sesame oil.
Sauce. We got pepper and some salt and
Curry powder.
curry powder. We
This
got
one.
some
Betchin.
veggies.
Ginamoto.
We got some egg.
Okay.
We got some meat, steak, and we got some pasta,
Noodles.
some noodles.
This one.
Sarap.
We have some shrimp.
Okay.
Shrimp.
We have chicken.
Chicken.
And we do
Anato powder.
annatto powder,
What's that?
garlic,
No. Onion.
onions,
Capsicum.
capsicum. What is this?
Sprout.
Bean sprout.
Bean
Mung bean
sprout.
sprout.
And some
Chinese broccoli.
Chinese broccoli. And
Spring onions.
spring onions.
This one.
Some chili,
Sesame seed.
sesame seeds, and some lemon. Let's
Okay.
start cooking.
Avocado oil. Beef. Then we put salt and pepper.
Ano yan?
Next one, shrimp.
Set aside.
Set aside.
Yung shrimp. Meron dun ah. Set aside ulit yan. Ano una? Beef. Tapos shrimp. Tapos chicken. Kahit anong mauna, pwede naman una.
Nagsasama-sama din naman sila.
Oh my goodness.
Ayan, chicken. Nalagyan na.
Anato powder.
Ba't meron ka palang mga masitas
Hindi nagamat ko sa talaga.
sa Asian? Gabi. Almost.
Yeah, I only have those ingredients. The powder, whatever that is. Lemon, some eggs. Let me get more ingredients.
Brown lang natin sa chicken. Capsicum. Onion.
Onion.
Where's the onion?
Capsicum tsaka onion.
Tapos yung Chinese broccoli.
There's
Ito ang gusto ko.
still.
Chinese broccoli. Yan. Sarap. Sarap yan.
What do you need next?
Togi.
What?
Toge.
Togi.
Can I put this? I'm gonna get some.
Ano yan?
Set aside it.
Set aside?
Get the last
Ito na. Bili ni Gabi ah. Egg. Tapos,
Noodles.
noodles.
You need the curry powder.
Curry. Ito ba?
Soy sauce. Okay. Ito na yung lettuce.
Ito, pampasarap.
Not too much.
Okay, come on.
Ikaw na magtansya. Kuhain mo na.
Tell me to stop.
Baka maparami. May hilo ako niya.
Not too much.
Can I do the next one?
Not too much.
Salt.
Tell me to
Stop. And then pepper.
Tell me to stop again.
Okay. Go. That's it. Thank you.
I only put a little bit.
And then,
Lahat ng meat.
There's no more ingredients in
Gulay.
this table.
Tapos yung gulay. Sesame oil. Wow, paborito ko. Bango niya.
Pieces. I found some teeny pieces here. I found teeny pieces.
Spring onion.
Can I do it?
Chili and spring onion. Wow.
Can I do the next one? I want to find the next one.
That's it? Tapos na?
There's still more. And the last
tapos
one is
na.
the lemon.
Sesame seed. Ilong ni Gabi ah.
that's it. Yeah.
Okay na yan?
Yeah.
Oh. Gabi, good job. Peer.
Eating time.